Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic game tutorials how to turn white into transparent. For example, I will create new file, can click new and we use default template settings, click OK. So in here we have this background with white transparency, and if you select the layer and press delete button, it can never work to cut this white object. To cut, you need to set the layer into alpha channel. You can right click and then you can add new alpha channel. After it, you can select again and then you can press delete button. So to be changed the white into transparency. Okay, that's it for basic game tutorials how to turn white into transparent. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.